Before learning Python, the first question every beginner asks is, how do I install Python correctly? Because one small mistake here and Python will say command not found. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to install Python step by step, how to check if Python is installed, and how to run your first Python program. Very simple, no confusion. Let's start. Step 1. Download Python. First, open the browser and type python.org. It will open. This is the official Python website. Always download Python from here. Hover on downloads. You will see a big button here, Python Install Manager. Click on it. It will download the latest stable version of Python. You don't need to think too much here. Latest version is fine for beginners. Now step 2. Install Python. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Shows exactly like this. Before clicking install, please look at the bottom carefully. Check the box. Add Python to path. This is very important. If you miss this, Python will be installed, but your system won't recognize it. Now click install now. Wait for installation. Once installation is completed, you will see a success message. That's it. Python is installed. Now step 3. Verify Python installation. Now let's check if Python is installed correctly. Open command prompt using Windows R, CMD, enter. I am zooming right now for correct visuals. Now type here Python space hyphen version, enter. If Python is installed correctly, you will see something like this, Python 3 point something version. If you see this, congratulations, Python is ready. We can write Python code or a program here itself using py. It will show a shell. You can write directly here program print hello world, enter. It will give the output directly. To exit the shell, just type exit parenthesis. Okay, it will come out of the shell. Now to enter into the folder, cd Python tutorial for beginners. I have created a folder like this. Just now code space dot, enter. It will directly open the folder here in VS Code. Just remove this. Step 4. First Python program in VS Code. Now let's write our first Python program. Open VS Code or Notepad, but VS Code is better. Create a new file like hello.py. Python files always end with .py extension. Now write this code like print hello shaker. Control S. Save it. This line tells Python print this message on the screen. Step 5. Run the program. Now let's run this program. Open terminal, Control J. Will open the terminal. Now type Python, the file name hello.py, enter. And there it is, our first Python output. If you see hello shaker, that means you just wrote and ran your first Python program. So today we learned how to download Python, how to install it correctly, how to check Python version, and how to run the first Python program. In the next video, we will start Python basics like variables, data types, and conditions. Follow Loop First Dev to learn Python step by step without confusion. See you in the next video.